Hi, my name is Katrina and I am the creator behind the Instagram account Peggy Sues Country Home. I live with my husband and 3 children. We self-built our house in 2015 and we are slowly getting around to decorating it. I've always had an interest in interior design. What I do is I create a mood board for each room, and for my bedroom I started off with the mood board. The colours I knew I wanted to go for like a green. My inspiration was a country French style. I always wanted a darker colour for my bedroom, but with it being a north facing room I was scared to go with a darker colour. But I brightened it up then with the blinds. I went with the gold. I knew I wanted like a darker green with the gold, and Material World, I contacted them and they had reels of material fabric for the gold and the braid, and it just matches in with my bedroom perfectly. I heard about Material World through Instagram. A few of my friends has got blinds for their new self-builds through Material World as well. So I knew they would be the perfect company to get in contact with to design my blinds for my bedroom. With picking Material World, the process was seamless. With being a busy mummy and working night duties as a nurse, I was able to just order online. The samples came straight to my door and I was able to see then with the colour scheme if the samples matched. Now I did order twice because some of the samples, once they arrived, didn't match my colour, and Material World were fabulous. They just sent more straight out to my door and I was able to pick in the comfort of my home. Being a night shift worker, picking the material was very important to me because I sleep during the day, so I needed to block out the light, and these blinds, which I got through Material World, are fabulous. My best advice for dressing your windows would be to create a mood board. I knew that I wanted a dark coloured room, so I started off with the paint, then I got the fabric, and then I got the braid, and I set them all down together to see which one matched perfect, and from there then I went on and ordered my blinds. I would 100% recommend Material World to anybody, self-build, if you're designing a new project for your house. They have a full range of amazing materials online. The customer services was fabulous. I didn't have to leave my house, and yeah, the blinds speak for themselves now that they're up in my room.